going on?
Man, just making a day of it. It is a beautiful day.
Oh, it feels amazing. 60 today.
So we're about to set some more trusses and put a 1x tongue and groove decking for a subroof. So I'm really excited. I brought my tool belt today. I'm ready.
It's coming tomorrow? Nice.
So I brought us a coffee maker, got us some water. Huh. It won't do it. That backfired. I'm excited. It's going to be a good day.
Let's knock it out.
Because I'm learning. Are you going to mark any of these on this outside edge, like 1 foot or something, so you know that side's straight, or how are you?
What I want to do is pick, I think it's right here, this one. We're going to center it and let them hang wild. And I'll come with a skill saw and rip it off.
Love it. And then on the roof when we do it, I know you're not that worried about insulation, but should I get some just like that foam board from Home Depot before we lay the metal? And just put a little adhesive in it just to help a little bit?
You can put it in between the 2x4s, yeah.
It'll cut down a little bit on the noise and give it a little bit of an insulation?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What? Oh, come on. It's going to be a flat roof. You're going to be able to walk that, no problem. We are good?
Definitely try a piece here. What flavor we got here?
Smoked beef, sweet and hot.
That's good.
It's like I like my women, sweet and hot. Woman, correction. Like I like my woman.
POV cam. Oh, nice.
My Milwaukee batteries have been going bad on me. But they're not old batteries. We're going to do this the easy way today. Hopefully. Screw pouch and coffee cup. See, this is important. When you go up on the roof, you need a place for your coffee.
Oh, nice. Who makes it?
This?
Yeah.
Or this?
Both.
This was some static climbing company. When I was climbing, you know, this little rope bag, and you put chalk in it and stuff. I have another chalk bag, but anyway, I thought that was cool. I use it for hunting, because when I get up in the tree, I put my stuff on my saddle, and then put my gun, pull up and stuff. So it's
Smart.
handy little bag. It's leather. It's nice. Gotta have a coffee holder. So that's what that's gonna do. I might have some screws in it too. As long as you trust it.
Oh yeah, I've got.
Give it a good, give it several jerks. Make sure.
Because I'm gonna be completely hanging on it. Ain't gonna lie.
Well, actually, like this right here. See, this is. See, you can lean against. I mean,
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
yeah. But I plan on.
Yeah. Yeah, I understand.
Honest truth, how nervous are you, Joe?
None.
0 out of 10.
0. Not even. Not one. Not one.
I don't like heights.
Not one bit even uncomfortable.